So I brought this Giraffe heat press, or heat press machine. It's for the to press like a mug or a tumbler. And I just want you guys to see how it looks, because I didn't see any reviews on it online, so I just wanted to unbox it and show you what's in it, and then show you how I use it. So it comes with a user manual, some heat gloves, some heat transfer tape, and this is the cord to plug it in. And then this is how it looks out of the box. And then I'll come back with, after I set it up, so basically just put this in, and then I'm gonna try using it to do some heat transfer vinyl. So right now I have the mug in there that doesn't have the design. So here's the mug with the design on it. I have two, so I'm gonna layer it. So this one's the first layer, and then I have the second layer here. So it says to wait till it stops flashing. Because that means it's heating up to the temperature. And I kind of lost my voice, so my voice sounds a little weird. Alright, so it's beeping. It's telling me that it's ready. So I'm going to push this button to release it. And to take this one out. And I'm going to put this one in. Push it till it snaps in place. And then I'm going to press the timer for 200. And I'm not going to leave it in there the whole time because I want to put the second layer on, so I just want to leave it in there long enough until I think that the first label is on good enough for me to put the second layer. So I'm going to take it out now. Let's see. Okay, so that first layer is on. I'm gonna put the second layer on. It's really hot, so I'm just trying to be careful not to burn myself. So then I'm gonna put my gloves back on to kind of get it on there. Okay, so I'm gonna put this one back in. That second layer on. And like I said, I'm doing heat transfer vinyl, so not sublimation. I'm going to try sublimation once I set up my sublimation printer. And I'll do a video on how I do that as well. So I'm just going to wait until it says that. Alright, so then I'm going to hit this timer. Actually, I'm going to turn it off. So I'm going to hold the on-off button until it turns off. Because since this isn't sublimation, I'm not going to leave it in there too long. So I'll take it out. Okay. So I kind of left it in too long because you can see that the words kind of moved. However, it was just a test just to see how it works. But anywho, so. And then if you like these designs, I have more. If you check my links in my description box, and you can buy some of my merchandise that I'm selling. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.